Your AC just started blowing hot air in the middle of summer, and you're dreading that mechanicist about to hit you with $800 repair bill? But what if I told you that 85% of AC problems can be fixed for under $10? Today, I'm revealing the hidden causes that most mechanics either miss completely or won't tell you about because these simple fixes eliminate their biggest profit center. Problem number 1. The refrigerant conspiracy myth. The big lie. You need expensive refrigerant recharge. This is what 90% of shops tell you first. The hidden truth. If your system is low on refrigerant, you have a leak somewhere. Adding more refrigerant without fixing the leak is like filling a bucket with holes. It's a temporary band-aid that costs you hundreds every few months. The real problem? Most AC systems don't lose refrigerant unless something is broken. R134A molecules are too large to leak through healthy seals and hoses. $10 fix. Before any recharge, you need UV dye detection. Mix $3 worth of UV dye with the refrigerant, run the system for 10 minutes, then use a $7 worth of UV flashlight to spot the exact leak location. Problem number 2, the cabin air filter blockage. Your cabin air filter is completely blocked, but it's not where you think it is. Most drivers check the engine air filter, but the cabin air filter is hidden behind your glove box or under the dashboard. And when it's clogged, your AC can't move air properly. How to find your hidden filter? Open glove box completely. Look for plastic clips on both sides. Squeeze clips and drop the glove box down. You'll see a rectangular cover. That's your filter housing. $10 fix. Cabin air filters cost you $8 to $15 at auto stores and takes 2 minutes to replace. The professional test. Turn your AC to max, put your hand over the vents. If airflow is weak even with the fan on high, your cabin filter is the problem, not your AC compressor. Problem number 3. The blend door. Actuator secret. Your AC blows cold on one side and hot on the other, or it switches between hot and cold randomly. Your blend door actuator is failing. This $15 plastic gear controls whether hot or cold air flows through your vents. How to diagnose? Turn on your AC and listen carefully near the dashboard. You'll hear a rapid clicking or grinding sound. That's your blend door trying to move, but the plastic gears are stripped. $15 fix. Locate the actuator, usually behind the glove box. Unplug the electrical connector. Remove 2 to 3 screws holding the actuator. Install new actuator and reconnect. Problem number 4. The evaporator drain plug secret. Your AC works, but you smell mold or notice water pooling in your passenger floorboard? Your evaporator drain is clogged with debris, causing water to back up and create mold growth inside your AC system. Where to look? Crawl under your car and look for a rubber tube hanging down near the firewall on the passenger side. This should be dripping water when your AC runs. Fix. Find the drain tube. Looks like a short rubber hose. Use compressed air to blow backwards through the tube, or use a coat hanger to carefully clear the blockage. You should see a rush of dirty water come out. Problem number 5. The compressor clutch trick. Mechanic says your compressor is dead and $800 replacement needed. But, 60% of dead compressors just have electrical connection problems, not mechanical failure. The simple test. Start your engine and turn AC to max cold. Look at your AC compressor, large round component with a pulley. The center part should be spinning with the outer pulley. If only the outer pulley spins, you have an electrical problem, not a dead compressor. $10 electrical fix. Check the compressor clutch fuse, usually 10 amp in the fuse box. Clean the electrical connector at the compressor. Test voltage at the connector should read 12 volts when AC is on. The hidden truth. A real compressor failure makes loud grinding noises. Problem number 6. The high side pressure relief valve. Your AC works for 10 minutes, then blows warm air, then works again randomly. Your high pressure relief valve is stuck or failing, causing the system to shut down when pressure gets too high. This happens most often in stop-and-go traffic or when idling with AC on max. Highway driving works fine. For the professional diagnosis, you need AC manifold gauges, $30 rental from auto stores, to test this properly. High side should read 200 to 250 psi. Low side should read 25 to 35 psi. If high side exceeds 400 psi, your relief valve is the problem. Fix. The pressure relief valve looks like a small cap on top of your AC lines. Unscrew the old one and install new one. Problem number 7. The refrigerant oil starvation. Your AC compressor keeps dying even after replacement? Your system is starved of refrigerant oil, causing metal-on-metal grinding that destroys compressors. When refrigerant leaks out, the oil goes with it. Adding new refrigerant without adding oil creates a lubrication failure. Professional fix. Drain the system completely. Add the correct amount of PAG oil, usually 6 to 8 ounces. Refill with proper refrigerant amount. Problem number 8. The condenser airflow blockage. Your AC compressor runs constantly but never gets cold? Your condenser, looks like a radiator in front of your car, is blocked with bugs, leaves, and debris, preventing heat dissipation. Visual test. Look through your grill at the condenser fins. If you can't see daylight through them, airflow is blocked. $5. Fix. Buy condenser coil cleaner from AutoStore. Spray from inside the engine bay, pushing debris out through the grill. Use compressed air to blow out stubborn debris. Rinse with water, engine off and cool. Professional technique. Remove the plastic undertray to access the bottom of the condenser. That's where most debris accumulates. Clean your condenser every spring before summer heat arrives. Final problem. The temperature sensor problem. AC runs constantly but never reaches set temperature? Temperature sensors giving false readings to AC computer. Sensors locations. Ambient sensor behind bumper or in mirror. Evaporator sensor behind dashboard. $25. Fix. Simple plug-and-play sensor replacement. 5 minutes to swap. These aren't just money-saving tips. They're professional diagnostic techniques that reveal the real problems hiding behind expensive repair estimates. If this video helped you, share it with someone else who's struggling with hot air from their vents. Subscribe for more professional automotive secrets.